Vlog number 2 of us
You can't
at
even
Quick
see
Trip
me.
after dance. There's a dinosaur by in front of the camera, so you can't see that well.
So, the food that I'm eating today is watermelon and pickles, and I got a Mountain Dew.
I have pineapple and grapes and this naked.
Naked and afraid.
And we're gonna be rating. No, let's not rate people. Let's I don't know. Let's do something. What's
Smash or pass?
Yeah. Okay. Blue. That woman with the brown hair. Smash.
Definitely. Pass. I'm not a lesbian.
Pass on that dude.
He's scrawny and ugly.
Also pass on the orange-haired girl. She looks like a bitch.
I think she is. I have no idea.
That girl, smash. Look at how
Okay,
hot she is.
Here's a good body. No.
That girl's hot. There's a car full of girls next to us.
We're cute.
Not smash the blonde one.
No.
Smash the brown haired one.
The blonde hair looks like a mom.
They're really loud in the sunroom something.
I forgot.
Mega smash on that old man.
It's also from Platteville High School.
That old man?
No, him. Right there with them.
He's nice. I smash.
I would too. I could, but
No, if I could. Oh yeah, smash him. He looks afraid. I like the way he opened the door by running into it. His phone like, running into the door.
so far there's no interesting people that came by.
Just teenagers. Go home, you hooligans.
I know. You shouldn't be out this late.
Yeah. Stupid fucking kids.
What's with their minds these days?
They're all rude too.
I'm scared for high school. What kind of?
Well, even
Hi
since you're gonna
Kennedy,
be,
if you're seeing this.
she won't even watch all the videos.
Probably not.
Kennedy, if you watch this part, text me and say pineapple is yummy.
Yeah.
If you watch this far. If you're watching us. We should do something more interesting next
I
week.
know.
Maybe we'll like make up plans. Like,
Mhm.
They got donuts. I'm jealous. I'm trying to be. Pass.
Maybe we should. Maybe we should go.
Dad bod.
We should go to the park or something and do something stupid. I don't know.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. They sound like party animals. This is boring.
Yeah, why are there no fun people?
I know. We're the only fun people here. You guys ready? This is really sassy. Ready?
Oh, that was really good. The girl working in there with the glasses,
She was
she's
here
so
last
pretty.
time. What did she get the last time?
Yeah, she was the one that checked us out last time too.
That dude has a big nose. Like Gru. Like Gru from the Minions who's working in there. Do you see him? That way. He's like throwing something up.
I'm ASMR eating. This is just us being obnoxious.
I know. We just saw the video right here.
Bye, Kennedy. Love you.
Wait, what's your outro? I forgot.
say, "It's Abby," and then you go,
It's
"And Lola."
Lola.
No, and Lola.
Oh.
It's Abby.
And Lola.
Goodbye.
Peace.